Good afternoon and welcome back to our channel Marco Pro. Today I'll be demonstrating to you how to use a blood pressure monitor. I'm using the Omron brand. The model is 742. Like always, if you know how to use one, you will know them all. Let's get started. This brand is very easy to use. It uses 4 AA batteries, or you can use a wall plug. It comes with a cup. However, if you have a thicker arm, there are like large and extra large cups. So first thing first, you find it, plug into the pressure hole, and the line that come to the arrow, you will line them up around this area. We're positioned right, and we are ready to go. Let's hit start, wait for 3 seconds, and when you see 0, let's hit start again. The machine is starting to pump up, and you will just feel very tight around your cuff, which is very normal. Be patient and have your normal breathing. After 15 seconds, you will stop and it will show the numbers to you. So in this case, my systolic pressure is 112 and diastolic pressure is 76. And the pulse, which is the heart rate, is 76. It's very normal this morning. I wish you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. See you next time.